Okay, guys, let's make some Jamaican vegan curry chicken. Let's get it. For the ingredients, I have one package of Whole Foods plant-based chicken. I like Ardeen strips, but they were all out. You can use whatever vegan chicken you prefer. What's most important is the ingredients and the instructions. Behind it, I have Jamaican curry powder, garlic powder, onion powder, ginger garlic paste, a package of fresh thyme, a fourth cup of green bell pepper, one small white potato, one sliced white onion, and one carrot. Let's add our vegan chicken strips to a bowl. Next, we'll add in the sliced onion. Now the green peppers. Now we add the curry powder. So I've mixed in the curry powder with the onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger garlic paste, and we're going to marinate this for 1 hour. I'm toasting 2 tablespoons of curry powder and a fourth cup of avocado oil. Let's stir the curry really good so the flavors can come out. I'm adding a teaspoon of black pepper. The reason we need to do this is because black pepper contains a compound known as piperine. Piperine helps our body to absorb turmeric a lot faster and a lot easier. Now it's time that we add our marinated vegan chicken to the pot. Cook her down really good. The vegan chicken is getting brown, nice and good. Now I'm adding 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. We continue to mix all the ingredients together. Let everything get well incorporated. If you guys could smell this right now, you would love it. It smells so good in here. Now let's get ready to add our diced potato. The carrot goes in next. Doesn't that look good? Now we're going in with about 4 cups of water. Now we're going to cook this for about 30 minutes on medium heat. The sauce is going to turn into a thick gravy because curry powders contain a little bit of flour. So it's going to thicken up and turn into a nice thick Jamaican curry stew. And it's just going to be awesome.